Thank you both for joining us. You look radiant in those sparkling diamonds.
Thank you so much.
Sushmita, would you like to start with a few words?
Hi, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Namaste. कैसे हैं आप लोग? इसके बाद फोटो करिए पक्का. हाँ? It is an absolute pleasure and a privilege to be here. आप सबको पता ही है that I have a romance with natural diamonds. I've always had it. It is something that I've celebrated myself with. जब लोग कहते थे ना commitment पे diamond मिलता है, so I've committed to myself. And I got myself that wonderful rock that I celebrate every day of my life. मुझे बड़ा मजा आता है because whenever I get to then associate with a wonderful team, a very reliable, trustable team like the family of Tanishq, every single time I feel like I'm also bringing to people a magical something that will change their lives. So it's wonderful to be here and wonderful to be in the company of such wonderful people, especially my Fatima who has been gossiping with me continuously. वो gossip मैं आपको नहीं बता सकती, but here comes Fatima.
Gossip के लिए हम बाद में आपको ही बताएंगे. But I'm very excited to be a part of this. इन्होंने तो इतनी खूबसूरती से बोला है, मैं उतना नहीं बोल पाऊंगी. But ये सच है. I mean, but as a consumer मेरा बड़ा simple criteria होता है कि अगर मैं diamond खरीदूंगी तो उसकी चमक बहुत important है. बाकी चीजें मुझे समझ में नहीं आती कि अगर वो shine bright करता है, उसकी चमक अच्छी है तो that means it's correct for me.
Basically हम दोनों साथ जाएंगे shopping.
हाँ.
Because I just realized वो सिर्फ चमक देखेंगी और मैं जो है मैं देखूंगी कि ये natural diamond है कि नहीं है. तो I think दोनों को साथ जाना चाहिए. क्या कह रही हैं आप?
पर इन लोगों ने आसान कर लिया ना हमारे लिए. Now they make it easy for us because वो जो 4C बोलते हैं ना हमें कि clarity and उड़ा दिया तो already मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा. So ये सारी चीजें देखनी होती है. But when you have people like them and Tanishq together, you know that you are in good hands and safe hands. So I'm very excited to be here and to experience this with you guys.
Actually, I'm fascinated to know कि ये Diamond Expertise Center का idea किसका था? Because it's a brilliant idea. Whose idea was this?
Actually, to give you a honest answer,
Yes.
one of my colleagues who's not here,
Oh no.
it was his idea.
Oh, it was he.
Yeah.
Arey
It
wow,
was
that's
he.
impressive.
I think he's had enough experience in trying to convince people. It was my colleague's idea, and
It's a good idea.
and it's been an idea that we've been working on for more than a year with our own R&D team, with Divya's, and a lot of